Namaste, I'm Guru Lingaya. I'm a financial planner associated with India's #1 insurance company, the Life Insurance Corporation of India. I'm a specialist in helping those people aged 35 to 45 plan for a creation of wealth of rupees 1 crore to 5 crore by the age 60 for themselves and for their family also. In simple investments without pressure. By planning more than 200 companies in a creation of wealth of rupees 1 crore to 5 crore, I came to know every head of the family wants to create a wealth for himself as well as for their family, and that it is possible if you plan this early in the life is not impossible. If you also wants to plan creation of rupees 1 crore to 5 crore wealth for yourself as well as for your family, please call my number 9980531285. I'm very happy in helping you to plan for the creation of a wealth 1 crore to 5 crore for yourself as well as for your family. Do not wait. Call immediately. Thank you.